Keeper had 6 little babies, 3 girls, 3 boys. Let's see if I can scooch in there and move her leg so you can see them a little better. And they're still wet. I mean, they were just finished being born about an hour ago. There's a little guy under here. This is one of the girls. It's the black and white girl. This is one of the boys, and this is the other boy. And we have a cream boy and then 2 cream girls. And they have some little butterscotch on them, but I think, of course, when they get a little older, they'll be cream. Can you just scooch over just a little bit so we can get a picture of all the babies? You're such a good mama. Yeah. She's still looking a little rough too. About an hour ago she finished, so they're just born.